Om Amma. How Gita helps us in daily life. Today's topic: how attachments bring our downfall. Ways to develop non-attachment 1, part 1. This is short clip number 6 by Chandrasekhar Jayanti. You can reach me at Om Sanatana Dharma 999 at gmail.com, dear friends. Dear friends, today in this episode, we will be discussing about the slokas, second chapter 62 and 63 slokas. Friends, in the above two slokas, Krishna is talking about one of the greatest facts of human psychology. So let us see what the sloka is. Dhyayate Vishyan Punsaha Sangastesho Pajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamakrodo Bijayate Krodad Bhavati Sammoha Sammohat Smriti Vibramaha Smriti Bramshad Buddhinasho Buddhinashat Pranashyati. This is what Krishna is telling in this 62 and 63 slokas of second chapter. Let us look into the meaning of these two slokas together. Friends, let us discuss the meaning of this sloka. Now, by being obsessed with worldly things, attachment ensues. From attachment leads to desire. A non-fulfillment of desire makes us frustrated. And frustration makes us angry. Anger leads to false perception. From false perception, we lose memory. From losing memory, we lose the discrimination power, that is buddhi. With the loss of discrimination power, we perish. This is what Krishna is telling. So, Jayate Vishyan Punsaha, by obsession of worldly things, Sangastesho Pajayate, by attachment ensues. Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha, because of this attachment, it leads to desire. Kamat Krodho Vijayate, frustration makes us angry. Anger leads to false perception. Krodhat Bhavati Sammohaha, Sammohat Smriti Vibramaha, from the false perception we lose memory. Smriti Bramshad Buddhinashaha, from the discrimination we lose buddhi, and with the loss of discrimination power, Buddhinasha Pranashyati, we perish, and that is our downfall. This is how beautifully Lord Krishna explained how attachment or obsession with our raga and dvesha, that is, obsession is because of our likes and dislikes, and raga and dvesha. Because of this, the whole downfall happens, or we get into difficulties, or we get trapped into various situations. So this is how Krishna is telling, dear friends. Friends, let us discuss day-to-day examples, dear friends. A boy becomes obsessed with a girl. He desires to marry her. When the girl marries another person, he becomes frustrated. He develops a hatred towards her, gets addicted to drugs. He attempts to kill her. He fails in the attempt and was convicted and sent to jail, losing his career, family, and everything. This is what exactly Krishna is telling. Obsession leads to attachment, and attachment leads to desire, and desire, non-fulfillment of desire leads us to anger and negativity, and from the negativity we lose the memory power and discrimination, and then we perish. A housewife wants a similar necklace which was worn by her neighbor. She becomes obsessed with it. She pesters her husband to buy one for her. She insults her husband, and quarrel ensues between them. He meets with an accident, and as he drives the vehicle, losing his discrimination. Both of them lost the balance of mind due to obsession and lost peace of mind, health, and money, dear friends. This is how it leads, the attachment or obsession leads to various things. Dhritarashtra's blind attachment towards his eldest son, wicked Duryodhana, led to the downfall and devastation of Kuru clan. Duryodhana's jealousy made him obsessed with Pandavas. He devised every wicked way to eliminate them, and finally he perished, causing huge destruction to the people around him. Ravana's lust and his obsession about Rama's wife Sita brought his own destruction. Sita's desire to possess the golden deer became a trap for her abduction. Losing her discrimination, she scolded Lakshman and made him to leave her alone, who was guarding her. This is how the anger leads, the desire to anger, desire to attachment, attachment to anger, and anger to loss of discrimination, loss of discrimination to difficulties and downfall, dear friends. Now, Swami Vivekananda says beautifully, we are attached to our friends, to our relatives. We are attached to our intellectual and spiritual works. We are attached to all external objects so that we get pleasure from them. What again brings misery, but this very attachment, says Swami Vivekananda, dear friends. This is... Now, dear friends, Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, Amma, says in a beautiful episode, once a factory owner came to know that his factory was on fire. He went into depression. His son informed him that he sold a factory a day before. Hearing this news, the factory owner's depression vanished and he became very happy. Next day, his son told him that the deal was not true. Again, he became gloomy and frustrated. Mata Amritanandamayi Devi says, building on fire is not the cause of his suffering, but the attachment to the building is the real reason for suffering, says Amma, dear friends. Friends, in the next episode, we'll be discussing about the ways to develop non-attachment. Please support us in two ways. One, by forwarding this link, and second, to subscribing to us. Om Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.